Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Siri and choosing how you'll call it. Say, "Hey Siri," or press the /home button. Make sure your microphone and internet connection are functional, and test with a quick voice memo so you're not troubleshooting later. Once done, pick a wake method that fits your routine, voice for hands-free, button for privacy. This first step gets you into an interaction-ready state, so you can focus on precise commands and avoid wasted retries. You now practice speaking clear, concise commands and include the important details. Say, "Set timer 15 minutes," or "Send message to Alex," running late instead of vague requests. Make sure to name the app, contact, or time explicitly so Siri can resolve the intent without guessing. Once Siri replies, listen to the confirmation and correct any misinterpretation immediately. If you need multiple steps, separate them with short pauses or commas so Siri executes each part in order. You finish by refining how Siri understands you, update your contact card and Siri language, and choose the voice that matches your pronunciation. When you need edits, use follow-ups like "change it to 20 minutes" or "cancel that" to avoid repeating the whole command. If things go wrong, restart the device, toggle Siri off and on, and reset network settings as a last resort. This usually clears recognition and connectivity issues, so Siri responds reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.